How to remove Gmail account in Play Store. Go to Play Store and go to profile picture on the upper right side on your screen. Tap this and now here you can see the switch account. You can tap the switch account and you can see here the manage account on this device. You can tap this or you can tap the manage your Google account here below of your profile. But I go to this manage account on this device. And now here you can find the Google. Tap the Google and now I have two Google account logged into Google Play Store. So if you want to remove the Gmail account, so for my example I remove this Gmail account, you'll have to do is select the Gmail you want to remove. After you select the Gmail you want to remove, tap the three dot on the upper right side on your screen and you can see on the pop-up the remove account button. You can tap this and the pop-up are show. Here in pop-up you can tap the remove account if you want to remove this account on the Google Play Store. Tap remove account on the pop-up to remove the Gmail account in Play Store.